In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Lark. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to tap, and how to make Lark display in the language you prefer. First, open the Lark app and head to your profile. Look toward the bottom left of the screen for the My Lark or Profile icon. Tapping this takes you to your personal area, where all your account options and preferences live. This is the quickest way to reach the controls that affect how the app looks and feels. Next, find the Settings option. It's represented by the gear icon and is usually easy to spot near the top of your profile page. Go ahead and tap Settings to open the full menu of app preferences. Inside Settings, locate the Language option. This is where you can manage how Lark's interface is displayed. Tap Language to open your language controls. Here, you may see one of two layouts, depending on your version of Lark. In many builds, you'll see a list of available languages you can choose from. Simply select the language you want, and you're set. In other versions, you'll also see a toggle that controls whether Lark follows your device's system language. If that toggle is on, Lark will automatically match the language your phone or computer is using. If you'd like to manually choose a specific language, turn that toggle off, then select your preferred language from the list. As soon as you make your selection, Lark will switch to the new language. Give it a moment to refresh the interface. Menus, buttons, and prompts will update, while your chats, files, and content remain just as you left them. Nothing is deleted or changed, only the interface language updates. A quick note for those on certain versions, especially older PC builds. You might not see an in-app language selector at all. In that case, Lark is designed to follow your system language. If you need a different language and the selector isn't available, adjust your phone or computer's language in the system settings, then reopen Lark to see the change reflected. If you ever want to go back, just return to the language setting. Turn the system language toggle back on, or pick another language from the list. It's that simple. That's all it takes to change the language in Lark. Navigate to your profile, open Settings, tap Language, and either follow your system language or choose the one you prefer. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Lark in the language that works best for you.